If you're considering becoming a yoga teacher, or if you're already a yoga teacher and you'd like to deepen your yoga skills or your business skills, you've come to the right place. My name is Lucas Rockwood. I'm the founder of the Yoga Teachers College. I started training teachers professionally way back in 2006. And the story of why I started training teachers is very important. I had a very busy studio. I was trying to hire teachers, and all the applicants I got were certified but unqualified, meaning they had a piece of paper, but they couldn't lead a class. My first teacher training courses were 100% internal trainings. We trained teachers, we put them on contract, and we hired them. The reason this is important to you is because since day one, my focus has always been on professional teacher training. This was not meant to be adult camp. It wasn't about singing songs. It was about getting up in front of a group of people and leading a professional class, leading transformative classes in a professional way. To date, we have thousands of teachers teaching in 41 countries, a dozen different styles, and our focus is really taking passionate students and turning them into professional teachers. Our programs are the most rigorous and the most accredited in the world. One of our programs is even endorsed for university level credit, something that no other course in the world can claim. On this website, you'll find links to all of our upcoming courses. We have online courses, we have in-person courses, and then we have a lot of blended fusion courses, meaning there's an online component and an in-person component. Our home base is in Barcelona. We have 3 professional studios here. We do have trainers at different places around the world, and we do travel outside of Barcelona, but this is our hub. If you're excited to learn more about what we have to offer, if you'd like to go deeper with your teaching and your business, scroll down for details, get in touch, and let's see if we can train together in the next coming year.
It gives you kind of like a real world simulation of what being a yoga teacher is actually like in the real world.
The thing that actually connected me the most was the fact that we had immersions, so I would just have to get some time off, the other things I do to do the immersions, and I could do the rest in my own pace at home. And I really wanted to finish it quickly, so for me, I finished the whole course in 5 months.
Immersion 1 was really a great experience. I think also a little bit of life-changing experience for me. After Immersion 2, you can teach a full class by yourself. You do have to teach a full class by yourself, so after that you feel completely ready and new to take on this work.
What captured me the most was the business aspect, because working as a performer in New York, I kind of already understood the struggle and the hustle that is freelance work. And if you are working as a yoga teacher, a dance teacher, an actor, it's kind of the same hustle, but you need to know the tools to actually make it a career.
That's also something that's really great about this program, is that you really learn how to align people's bodies for that one-on-one individual attention that you can give to a student, and they really, really love it. They really benefit from it, and so do you.
Instructors that we learn from as well, they're not just hired specifically for this program, they're actively teaching, and they've been teaching, and listening to advice from a mentor like that is a whole separate valuable experience as well.
There were so many resources. There's videos, there's the reading, you have pictures, you do it. So it's like in all 5 senses, you get how to be a teacher of yoga. So you have a foundation and it's strong, and you can go from there.
I think they teach you in a way that you get really confident and you feel like you can do it because you are exposed since the first day, and there is no excuse for you, so you just have to do it,
I'm very happy with the YOGABODY training, obviously, since I got my partner in there too.
The only thing I would add is how grateful I am. And I don't think that I would have that perspective if I didn't have yoga in my life.